Habayakran bikinong patay kubor kanong ilam jong seng Kongres ka Bobeeta Sharma habakran ha Kongres Bhavan. Kaloong bahakisaw pesan senam kiblalej upurno sangma bamkwai dua rublei ude ukpa jong Conrad kongkal sangma ude unong ilam jong seng Kongres. Bad kalabo jeng keli bahaki nikisnam ukpa jong shimlalei ay nagbenta kajela Meghalaya. Kani kanong yalam ko All India Congress Committee kalakentu yo Conrad kongkal sangma balada Ukraine ay uday banupusan ba namar de seng Kongres kabla ay ka Meghalaya ban yo ya ka jela bupura kabla tay gijing tay bagi jaka puli ki bahe ka jela bat ki bagi nalor kani kalakeno ru bakani ka sarkar MDA kadai ka bajur bah ka jing bamsap bat ka ajingya daru ki brio ki babamsap. Kalau orang sorkar, kalau tiket you engineer, ubah dibenci mereka jingkit klik, halor kejing kalem jangka dom yang dor bar tauan kejela. Bat kejing let drong seng NPP, ka Dr. Ampurin kedai tang bani ojing ada nama bagadang don hapo kejing bishar benia da ka CBI. Ha kawai pat kaliang kani kanong ilam ke seng Kongres kalau orang bau Dr. Mukul M sangma ulashi megasen jam ke babak latam manit penyaso baka seng TMC. Namar wat upurno sangma ula don teng bat kani keseng henry syamlane aslam namar kejing pediang kipat ba ke TMC ka badai keseng nongwei. Ka Bobeeta Sharma kelong ba keseng kala yo lumiki kubor ba keseng TMC kan job bon satya hari lum garu bat kan la bandai bah wat hari lum khasi. Dahlor kani kadaw bu Dr. Mukul M sangma ulele ekakam ke babak latam da ke bami keseng Kongres ban penyaso ba ke TMC. Kinong alam keseng Kongres kila kop ke Kongres kan job palat lai pau teligi seat bat kan alam ke sarkar jela hadian ke election MLA kaban long ho benai rempang.
But in those 45 years, his father, late Purna Sangma, who was a congressman, he was an MP in the 1970s. He was in the Union Ministry of Indira Gandhi ji in the 1980s. He was a minister in the cabinet of Rajiv Gandhi ji. He was a minister in the cabinet of Narasimha Rao ji. So in those years, does he mean to say that his father did not do anything for Meghalaya? Is that what he is trying to give message to the people of Meghalaya? Just because his father was a congressman at that time? So I want to ask Mr. Conrad Sangma, so when you speak, please speak thoughtfully. Because now you are in the position, you are a chief minister of a state which got statehood, which was given by the Congress party. Because Congress party had a vision about the aspirations of the people of Meghalaya. Because Congress party felt that statehood will give their dreams a fulfillment. So today he is here to serve the people of Meghalaya. He has got an opportunity to serve the people of Meghalaya because of the Congress party and because the Congress party had the vision for the people of Meghalaya. But what he is doing right now, we have seen that instead of taking the opportunity to serve the people of Meghalaya, he is giving importance and credence to corruption in his government. We have seen how he is protecting people who are corrupt. We have seen how nearer home in the assembly, you have seen how the collapse of the assembly happened because of shoddy work, and the engineer who was responsible for it has been given ticket by the NPP. So isn't it giving credence to corruption, giving protection to corruption? In the same way, I would also like to say that our own colleague who left us very recently, Amprin Lingdo, what happened to her? She was also on the CBI scanner. Now she has gone to NPP to get the same protection. And who is helping in that protection? The BJP is helping in that protection. So NPP and BJP are hand in glove to give protection for corruption and looting the people of Meghalaya. Here I would also like to talk a little bit more about our old colleague, very respected Dr. Mukul Sangma. With all due respect to him, I think he has made the greatest political blunder of his life by joining the TMC. And TMC, as you all know, I must remind you, my dear friends, that late Purna Sangma had also joined the TMC long time back. But what happened to that friendship? It did not last long. It died down. So at that time itself, it was realized that people of Meghalaya will never accept TMC because it is an outsider party. Similarly, the people of Meghalaya will never accept BJP because it is an outsider party. So NPP also should mind that when they go to the BJP for protection against corruption, they are actually also in hand in glove with the BJP, which is an outsider party. So regarding this, I just want to question Dr. Conrad Sangma that when you speak about 45 years of non-development of Meghalaya, the state of Meghalaya, please go and see the IIM, please go and see Ning Reams, please go and see how over the last 45 years, how Shillong and the whole of Meghalaya is known all over the world for tourism. How did it happen? It did not happen in one day. How did it happen? It did not happen only after 2014 when the Modi government came to power. People are not fools. They know what when you speak.